Hello, people. This is Baba Rakam, and so I'm developing this app, and now the step that I've now have to solve is sending the verification code. Uh, at first, I thought I'll send it via their phone numbers, SMS messages, but turns out that's expensive. So change the so far the way I've coded the program, it's supposed to do the phone number thing. So now I have to first uh, set up. So I found out what is the SMS thing that's cheapest and unreliable. So Amazon SES, although ChatGPT says it's 62,000 email the emails OTP per month, it's actually 3,000 per month. And but there is no daily limits and everything. And after the 3,000 limit is crossed, it's 10 cents for every 1,000 emails sent. That's affordable. So I created an Amazon Web Service account, and it is kind of puzzling to get signed up to SES. That's what I'm trying to do. The Amazon user interface is not something I'm familiar with at all. So this is what I'm doing right now. Yeah. Strange things happen when you deal with Amazon. I wish there was another alternative. Uh, I wanted to use Zoho, make in India. But unfortunately, that has a limit to the number of emails you can send. Although, yeah, uh, Amazon, it does not have a limit. It does, like 3,000 per month, but it's not, per second or per hour, per day. There are no regulations like that. I even looked at how to, if I could build my own API to be able to send the OTP, but that's tricky with each country. The rates vary according to their prices, their carriers, and so on and so forth. And apparently, I'll have to buy a domain. I thought it'll come to that. I haven't even decided on a name for the app yet. Every name that I think of, it's already been taken. And when I asked ChatGPT to suggest some names, unfortunately, ChatGPT cannot imagine its new names. It only s- can suggest names that already exist, and they all have trademarks and so on and so forth. So, hmm, think of a name. And if I wanted to set up an API for sending OTPs via email, I would require servers. So I would have to rent a VPS, virtual servers and stuff. So, and the reliability of those are questionable. Like it has to be always, you know, just um, always quick, always on point at all times. So, since I have no choice but to use services, um, for now, if I make money from this app, I have other ideas of apps, of APIs, of things I can do. Because in order to, before this app is live, um, apart from buying the domain and stuff, I will have to wait. I will have to register my company name. Still, I'm trying to think of. I'm still trying to think of a name for the company as well. Baba Inc. Let's see. That also has to be done, and I need to register with. So yeah, I spoke to a representative from one of the Indian companies called TwoFactor.in called me to talk to me about the uh, offers available with that company to send SMS to. As I was saying, uh, to uh, to send OTPs via SMS to phone numbers, but since I'm not, um, and he did mention that if I was going to do that, I'll have to register with DLT. It's a government norm. Like in America, there was A2P something campaign, as an app to peer, app to person A2P campaign. So if that's the case, the rates are lower. There are allowances made similarly with DLT in my country. So, but that was regarding SMS OTPs, verification codes by phone numbers. If it's emails, I'm guessing we can skip that step. I'll have to buy a domain. I'll have to think of a name for the company, for the corporation that I'm going to register. So it's telling me that Supabase has its own inbuilt built-in mailer. So let's check the limit zone. By the way, if you can't see, so Supabase, it's only 30 per hour. Way less than Amazon SES. So this is a key step. I need to go to account dashboard and request production access, but that's only after I have done these steps.